we decided to come down to Tampa this afternoon. We're going to go down to Riverwalk and hang out down there for a little bit. It's a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees, and we figured it'd be a nice day to go out there and run around and let Emily wear herself out before the Superbowl party. So here we are down in Tampa, and see you down at the river. I have a real Florida child. I mean, she's all bundled up. It's 55 degrees out. She's bundled up like a bug in a rug. Snug as a bug in a rug. It's actually pretty neat down here. You got the beer can building, and then a really nice view of the University of Tampa campus. And, you know, lots of condos going up. Of course, they're all in default, but other than that, it's kind of nice. If I was young, single, I would probably enjoy living down here. There's definitely a lot to do.
But you ain't.
Are you cold, Em? Yeah. Let me see.
Mom tried to get me.
There we go. And we're off. What? Where? Over there? Over there? Okay, so you want to go over to the park? It's really great down here. I mean, you got a really nice view of University of Tampa campus, which I think is probably the prettiest part of Tampa. I mean, it's got just real nice architecture, and this is great. They've done a really nice job down here. I think during the summertime, or even this time of year, I mean, it's just a great way to come out and get your kid tired. That's pretty neat, huh, Em?
Let's go around this.
I want to get... Whoa! Whoa! This is crazy. Look at this thing. I see. That's a midget hammock. That's really wrong, but it looks like a little midget hammock. Look at Mama's like Gulliver. This park is really cool. I mean, it's almost like our friend Marissa. She moved to Japan on orders. She showed us some of the parks. Like, she sent pictures, put them up on Facebook, whatever. Some of the parks over there, and they're like all these high-tech, new-age parks, and they're really, really cool. And this kind of reminds me of something that might be over in Japan. You know, they need to make more parks like this, because I think kids might want to play outside a little bit more. It's pretty neat. Go, Mama.
This is worse than the tea cups at Disney World.
He's picking up speed.
Oh, Ma.
You alright?
Yeah, we'll be.
You like it down here, Em?
Mom, there's a boat.
There's a boat. There we go.
Here, wait. Here you go.
Look at Daddy. Wave to Daddy, Tim.
For all you dog lovers, there's a dog park down here too at Riverwalk, which is pretty cool. I mean, you know, I don't even know what to say. There's just a dog park down here. It's nice.
Do it again.
I tried to do it.
Hey, who's that, Emily? That's her mom. All right, well, I gotta get a camera for later, so. You don't like Yoda? Look at Yoda. Let me see you do it. Meet the Turk. Oh.
You have a bruise on your arm. What happened?
Hey, Em, what do you got there?
I don't know.
You got
Mine look at I have.
So we're in the short sale kids lair. Emily's running rampant right now. Hey, Em, what are you doing? You having a good time? It's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're just hanging out over here, having some good food, nice wine, and Em is obviously having a blast. So I'm sure she'll sleep good tonight.